CompTIA A Core 2, Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.2. Given a scenario, configure and apply basic Microsoft Windows OS security settings. Windows Login Options. When it comes to securing your system, the login options can be quite diverse. Windows offers several ways to log in, each with varying levels of security and convenience. In this video segment, I'll walk you through the different login methods available and where to find them in the Settings menu. To access your login options, go to the Settings and select Accounts. Then scroll down and select Sign In Options. From here, you'll be able to set up or modify any of the following methods to secure your device. First on the list is facial recognition, which Windows has dubbed Windows Hello Face. Facial recognition is a convenient, hands-free login option available through Windows Hello. Using an infrared camera, this method scans your face to securely unlock your device. It's quick and highly secure, offering seamless access without the need to type anything. You can set this up in the sign-in options by selecting Windows Hello Face and following the prompts to register your face. Next, we have fingerprint authentication, another Windows Hello feature. This method lets you unlock your device by placing a finger on a fingerprint reader. To set it up, go to Sign-in Options, select Windows Hello Fingerprint, and follow the prompts by placing your finger on the reader repeatedly until the setup is complete. This is a fast and secure way to log in, ensuring that only you can access your system. A personal identification number, or PIN, is a simpler alternative to a password, and it's unique to your device. Unlike a password, a PIN stays local to your machine and cannot be used on other devices or online services, making it a bit more secure in certain contexts. To set it up, go to Sign-in Options, select Windows Hello PIN, and create your PIN. A security key is a physical device that provides an additional layer of protection. When logging in, just insert the key into your device. It's an excellent option for those seeking enhanced security, as it requires both the physical key and your presence. You can set this up under Sign-in Options by selecting Security Key and following the steps to pair the key with your device. The password remains the most traditional login option. It's widely used, but it's also one of the most vulnerable methods due to the risk of weak or reused passwords. To maximize security, always use strong, unique passwords for each device. You can also update or change your password by selecting the password option in Sign-in Options. For a more creative login option, you can set up a picture password. This method allows you to choose an image and draw a series of gestures on it, such as circles or lines, which you then use to unlock your device. It's less common but provides a fun, personalized way to log in. You can set this up in Sign-in Options by selecting Picture Password and following the steps to configure your gestures. As you can see, Windows offers a wide variety of login options, from biometric methods like facial recognition and fingerprint to more traditional choices like a PIN, password, and even a picture password. You can also add an extra layer of security with a security key. Each option provides different levels of protection, so choose the method that best suits your needs and preferences for both convenience and security. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.